Part 4, 50 Foods That Are Super Healthy. 36. Ezekiel Bread. Ezekiel bread may be the healthiest bread you can buy. It's made from organic sprouted whole grains, as well as several legumes. 37. Homemade low-carb bread. Overall, the best choice for bread may one you can make yourself. Here's a list of 15 recipes for gluten-free, low-carb bread. 38 to 41. Legumes. Legumes are a great plant-based source of protein, iron, and fiber. While it's true that legumes contain anti-nutrients, which can interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption, it's possible to reduce or eliminate anti-nutrient content by soaking and properly preparing them. Therefore, legumes are a great plant-based source of protein. 38. Green beans. Green beans, also called string beans, are an unripe variety of common beans. They are very popular in Western countries. 39. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are loaded with fiber and various vitamins and minerals. Make sure to cook them properly, because they're toxic when raw. 40. Lentils. Lentils are another popular legume. They're high in fiber and are among the best sources of plant-based protein. 41. Peanuts. Peanuts, which are legumes, not true nuts, are incredibly tasty and high in nutrients and antioxidants. Several studies suggest that peanuts can aid in weight loss. However, if you're monitoring your calorie intake, you may want to be mindful of your consumption of peanut butter, which is very high in calories and easy to eat in large amounts. 42 to 44. Dairy. For those who can tolerate them, dairy products are a healthy source of various important nutrients. Full-fat dairy seems to be the most nutritious option, and studies show that people who eat the most full-fat dairy have a lower risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. If the dairy comes from grass-fed cows, it may be even more nutritious because it's higher in some bioactive fatty acids such as conjugated linoleic acid and vitamin K2. 42. Cheese. Cheese is incredibly nutritious. A single slice may offer about the same amount of nutrients as an entire cup, 240 milliliters, of milk. Many people also consider it one of the most delicious foods. 43. Whole milk. Whole milk is very high in vitamins, minerals, quality animal protein, and healthy fats. What's more, it's one of the best dietary sources of calcium. 44. Yogurt. Yogurt is made from milk that is fermented through the addition of live bacteria. It has many of the same health effects as milk, but yogurt with live cultures has the added benefit of friendly probiotic bacteria. 45 to 46. Fats and oils. Dietary patterns that include unsaturated fats and oils are considered very healthy. 45. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest vegetable oils. It contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and is very high in antioxidants that have powerful health benefits. 46. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is saturated fat, but it contains MCTs and may have similar health effects to olive oil. However, coconut oil has been shown to increase LDL, bad cholesterol to a greater degree than other plant-based liquid oils, so it should be used in moderation. 47 to 48. Tubers. Tubers are the storage organs of some plants. They tend to contain a number of beneficial nutrients. 47. Potatoes. Potatoes are loaded with potassium and contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need, including vitamin C. They'll also keep you full for long periods. One study analyzed 38 foods and found that boiled potatoes were by far the most filling. 48. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are among the most delicious starchy foods you can eat. They're loaded with antioxidants, beta-carotene, vitamin A, and all sorts of other healthy nutrients. 49. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help regulate post-meal blood sugar levels when consumed with a meal, though more evidence is needed on its effectiveness. It's great to use as a salad dressing or to add flavor to meals. 50. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is loaded with magnesium and is one of the most powerful sources of antioxidants. 20. The bottom line. Whether you want to overhaul your diet or simply change up your meals, it's easy to add a number of these foods to your routine. Many of the foods above not only make a great snack but are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Some of them may even aid weight loss. If you don't normally challenge your palate, don't be afraid of trying something new. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.